Lee Health announcing today its hospitals have reached 100% capacity for beds with available staffing. So they're working to add more staff so they can make more beds available. In the meantime, if you're a patient, doctors are warning you could experience longer than usual wait times. 4 in Your Corner's Miana Massey has been talking with a cancer survivor about the anxiety of just thinking about the possibility of having to step foot in a hospital during this very touchy time.
As of this morning, Lee Health hospitals are at 100% of current staffed operational capacity.
This reflects the number of beds that have adequate staffing, not the total number of beds in the hospitals. But even so, for breast cancer survivor Holly Digilarmo, this announcement induced major anxiety.
What if I do have to need a transfusion? My God, there's no beds, everything's full. It could be my life. It's scary.
Dr. Larry Antonucci also announcing the addition of 57 registered nurses, which would allow for hospitals to open 50 beds by next week.
We are working around the clock to create as much additional space in our hospitals as possible.
For this cancer warrior, diagnosed after losing her home in Hurricane Irma, COVID-19 is just another battle and a long road to victory.
I got diagnosed with breast cancer stage 2. In July 2018.
Digilarmo says she often worries about the resurgence of cancer cells, and more recently, the possibility of being admitted into a hospital if diagnosed with COVID-19.
I had 6 surgeries for the breast cancer. I had 2 mammograms since the 5 months of chemo and the 33 rounds of radiation, and I'm stable right now. But with COVID, of course, it's scary.
But for now, she says life as a cancer patient pre and during the pandemic has pretty much remained the same, as health is always a main priority.
We're already wearing masks, we're already washing our hands, we're already staying home, we're immunocompromised, and that's what you do when you're in that situation.
Lee Health says their bed capacities do fluctuate from hour to hour. Now, they have cut down on elective surgeries, but says their emergency department is well equipped to care for any patient in need. In Cape Coral, Miana Massey, Fox 4, in your corner.
And check